In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up fixed shipping prices on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Fixed shipping prices let you charge a flat rate for shipping regardless of the buyer's location, making your pricing simple and predictable. Now, if you want to set up fixed shipping prices on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website or app and sign in with your email and password. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager to access your store dashboard. After that, go to Settings and then click on Shipping Settings. Now, create or edit a shipping profile. Inside the profile, choose the fixed price option for shipping. Enter your flat rate for domestic shipping and if needed, add separate rates for international orders. Once you've set your prices, click Save. Finally, apply the shipping profile to your listings so customers will see the fixed shipping rate at checkout. That's it. Setting up fixed shipping prices on Etsy makes your shipping process easier to manage and gives buyers a clear, consistent cost.